Hi everyone, so today we're going to be looking at this Gellen all-in-one nail kit, and this is supposed to have everything in it that you need to do a set of nail extensions. So I'm going to go ahead and get into what's actually in the box here in a second, but I wanted to let you guys know that I actually picked up 2 of these, and I will be offering one of them in a giveaway at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I will also be adding in some other nail goodies, so again, I'll show that all at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and get started what's actually in this box. So I will go ahead and link this kit down below if you guys are interested in picking it up for yourself. It did come with a bunch of different shapes as far as the nail shapes that you could get. So let's go ahead and go through everything that you get in the box. So you get the manual. You get a little LED lamp, and then that comes with your plug. So you get your nail dehydrator and primer, your extend gel and top coat, and this is a no wipe top coat. You get a 100-180 nail file as well as a 100-180 buffer. You get a clip to hold on the nail while you cure. And then the style of nails that I picked today were the almond shape, and these are the pre-etched ones. So they had non-etched and etched that you could pick. And they had all different kinds of styles. If you don't like the almond, they had other options like the coffin ballerina, stiletto, and so on. So again, I'll leave those links down below and you guys can check them out. And they also include some nail art. And there you get some mylar pieces and some little bits of glitter. So let me go ahead and clean everything up, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so first things first, let's go ahead and look at the tips that they provided us. Now, these are the pre-etched ones, and they did have the option to get non-etched if you prefer to do that yourself, but I just thought to save time. So you can see how they look kind of matte. That just means that they've been etched on the inside here so that you don't have to do that with a file. So what you want to do is just make sure to get the size that you need, that it fits you from side wall to side wall. So that's a good match for my thumb there. So that's the size 1. Okay, so there are my tips sized out. I went ahead and moved them to the palette just so it's a little easier to see. And then here I have their lights. So there's a little button on the inside there. Hopefully you can see that. When you put your finger on there, it just turns on. Now that does not turn it back off, so you either need to unplug it or let the time run down. So I've gone ahead and prepped my nails, and then I'm going to be using their dehydrator and primer. And if you need to know how to prep your nails, I will leave a video down below for you, or you can find one up in the eye. So I'm just going to use a little bit of rubbing alcohol to make sure I don't have any oils on my nail plate, and that I don't have any leftover dust. I'm just going to work on one hand to start. So first I'm going to go ahead and go in with their dehydrator. And next I'm going to go in with their nail primer. And this says that it is an acid primer for UV gels only. So be sure not to get your skin, keep it on the nail plate. So according to their instructions, the next step we're going to do is to use the extend gel, and we're going to use that to attach the gel. And that's basically your base gel. So here's the extend gel. And that is a very thick gel. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some of that. Put it right at the cuticle areas the way that I like to do it. And then I line up with the cuticle, and I'm going to push towards the free edge so that if I have any excess, it's going to shoot out at the free edge. You want to make sure that you have your nail on straight. Go ahead and apply some pressure. And at this point you could put on that clip if you want to use that. I'm just going to hold it. So I wanted to go ahead and show you one with the actual clip that they provide. So just make sure that you have that totally lined up. There's enough pressure. Put the clip on and go ahead and cure. So there's that with the clip. I'll go ahead and show you guys that one more time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pop my hand into my big LED lamp. If you don't have a large LED lamp at home or UV lamp, you can go ahead and just use the little one. Just make sure that you run it enough time to cure that completely. I'm going to do my other hand off camera and then I will meet you guys back for the next step. Next step, we're going to take the file and we're just going to go around the edges and make sure to remove that little nub at the top there. And then I also like to go around the cuticle area and remove any gel that might have shot out, and also just bring down the bulk around the cuticle area. And then I'm just going to lightly file the surface of the nails so that everything sticks, because I'm going to go ahead and do a nail design today. All right, so I went ahead, filed those and cleaned them up, and now we're going to get started into this nail design. For this nail design, we are going to be using Madam Glam polishes in Perfect Black, Caffeinated, and Master Debater. And then I'm also going to be using the Madam Glam base coat and some copper foil that looks like this, and I'm just going to be using a little bit of that. And it just came in a kit that I have. It's this one here. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So first thing I want to do is apply base coat all over all of the nails. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So using the stickiness from the base coat, I'm going to go ahead and apply little bits of the foil just randomly. Now right over that, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Master Debater. Okay, go ahead and cure that in your lamp. So on my palette here, I have some transparent chocolate brown and then some opaque black. So I'm going to be taking some of that chocolate brown and I'm just going to be creating some splotches on my nails here. Okay, you want to make sure not to build those up too thick because we're going to do another layer. Go ahead and give that a second to kind of spread across the nail, and then you're going to go ahead and cure that. Okay, now right in the center of those brown spots, you're going to go ahead and build up more brown. And again, we're doing thin layers. And I'm not going all the way to the edge of the brown. I want to have different layers of color. Okay, now right in the center of those darkest parts of the brown, we're going to go in with our black without curing. And we're just going to start making some little spots here. And we're going to let those kind of drag out. Now you could alternatively do this with blooming gel, but that would be one more layer of gel that you would have on your nail, making it that much more thick. So it just depends what you're more comfortable working with. Okay, once you're happy with that, go ahead and give it a cure. Now I'm going to go back in with the Master Debater, and I'm going to go ahead and do another total coat of that. And this is just going to help blend everything together and even out any raised areas that we have. Alright, go ahead and cure that in your lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, and now you can go ahead and go in with your top coat. Okay, go ahead and put that into your light for 60 seconds. Alright, so here's the final look. I went ahead, washed my hands, applied some cuticle oil, and this is what I ended up with. Alright everyone, in order to enter this giveaway, I need you to go to my Instagram. I will post a picture with the giveaway prizes, and I will show those here in a second. And it will literally go up the exact same day that this video goes up. So as soon as you watch this, you can go over there and enter. And if you don't have an Instagram, I'm sorry, I would say go ahead and make one just for this if you feel like you really want to enter. Unfortunately, I need a way to be able to message you guys and to interact with you for the giveaway, and YouTube currently doesn't have a feature like that. So feel free to comment down below in this video as well, but the actual giveaway will be held on my Instagram, and I will have all of the actual rules to this printed out there so you can see them written down. But so head over to my Instagram. I will have that information in the description box, and as well here on the screen you will be able to see that. So let's go ahead and get into the actual prizes. So you will get the kit that I showed you that I just used to do my nails here. You will also get some Madam Glam Poly Gel, some dual forms. You will get some nail art stickers. You will get some clear nail tips, a poly gel brush, a UV flashlight in the color pink. You will also get some of my glitter mixes and an assortment of different nail art items. So I included some spangles in there, Fimos, stones, and other things. So again, all of the pictures and everything will be there, and hopefully you saw that just now on the screen as I was saying that, because I will insert the photos. So good luck everyone. This is US only. I will literally just be sending this out from my home in a flat rate box to you. So good luck everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The only rule that I do have is that you guys subscribe to me and that you go over there and you comment on the Instagram post with 2 purple hearts. And that's just so I know that you listen to all of the instructions. And again, they'll be written out. So good luck everyone. Thank you for watching.